to.
Yeah.
I think, guys, we cannot go with the HAJOP severity. We have to go as per factual basis. In case of
Yes,
LL,
correct.
Chairman,
Should be as per
there
what?
there will be a conflict with the Azab then.
no, but Guru, then I can tell you, P1 will be more than 70%.
If you
So
go by
what I'm
Azab,
saying, yeah. If you go with the because HAJOP doesn't understand other points. So if you consider that one, there will be a lot of P1.
Vessel related.
Lot of
Oh,
P1.
will be
All
P1.
vessel related
Will be
level
P1.
5, level low
P1.
will be P1.
Yeah.
All the vessels.
So I think we should not go as per the HAJOP. We should go as per the alarm rationalization process.
Correct.
Otherwise, P1 will be more than
alarm,
70%.
no, an alarm realization process. How you are telling that severity is very less? Can you explain?
What Emmanuel is saying, in case of low level in the first stage separator, the gas blow by will happen, but there is the hips. So hips will prevent gas blow by, and we have got the PSV.
No.
PSV will not.
One minute. It's a layer of protection. Okay. We are talking about the alarm. We're not talking about the severity, how to mitigate the severity. We are not talking about mitigation here. Okay, there is a alarm. If this alarm not taken into action, then it will go to the hips. Hips is a trip. Trip is safe condition. Correct. We are not discussing.
I
mitigating
agree.
the risk
sir.
here.
This should be P1 because these are one of the most important alarm for the
Yeah,
operator.
correct. We are
Otherwise,
making we are
how-
making the alarm.
Yeah,
We are
we can
making
do
the-
the civil action. Yeah,
Yeah.
we can think like this. Even we don't have this pre-alarm, the hips could prevent the gas blow by
Correct. If
from first stage
if-
separator to the
correct.
downstream
If-
PWT2.
see
So-
all the trips will be priority 3 only then, as per the AGS requirement.
no, madam, just to answer your question, madam, and what Mr. Gurumurthy is telling.